Good morning. We are students of JP School Kisare. Today, presenting a conversation. I am a smart white rabbit. I am very hungry. I have found something to eat. I think someone is coming. And I eat fresh green cabbage. Oh no! Hi, hello, I am a green. I'm a very sweet warrior. I am a smart white rabbit, and I eat red green peas. Oh no! Hi, hello, I am a juicy crunchy carrot. I good for glowing skin. Who are you? I am a smart white rabbit, and I eat juicy crunchy carrot. Hi, I am a beautiful golden flower. I look like a flower. Who are you?